We'll see.
Oh.
Did you want me looking at the camera, I assume, more than him, or how do you want it?
We've had both.
Kind of a
so-
little
Which
over
one?
these.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. If you're talking to me, you talk to me. And
Good.
talking to them, you're talking to them.
Sure.
So, is it recording? This is Rick Eisel. I'm here with Jim Blum from Shaffer, and Jim handles all the mixers that we're featuring for the AM line. And Jim has a quality mixer that he wants to tell us about. So, let's go ahead.
Shaffer's been blessed that it's been serving the industry for well over 35 years, providing excellent mixer and makeup and dough handling equipment throughout the world. Shaffer has been the leading pioneer in providing an open frame concept mixer for sanitation purposes and needs of maintenance. It's been well known throughout the industry as the leading innovator to provide that solution to the marketplace, and we've been blessed to be able to do that.
And we feel very blessed to have you on board. And we're going to have a full presentation, including video, right?
That's correct. We'll be able to demonstrate just how the Shaffer mixer works with regards to it's just a standard flour tortilla mixer to be able to provide a good quality product that is reliable for those bakers that are in the baking industry to be able to properly mix the flour tortilla dough that they need to mix.
Couldn't get better. So, and then we're here at AM Manufacturing in Munster, and you will be seeing the videos and everything that we have to offer. They will be sent to you on a quote by quote basis because of a lot of what is that? Special information. We just basically don't want to blast it all over the world. So. But call for your quote today because we got a lot of people in line to buy these lines. So thank you for your time and thank you.
We appreciate the opportunity. Thank you.